Today we are in the spa destination of New Zealand, or the city of geothermal activities, named Rotorua. In around 14th century, Maori people first came to this place, and now with the population of around 59,000 people, Rotorua is the 12th largest urban state of New Zealand. The city of Rotorua and the region itself is known for the geothermal activities. You will realize when you are in Rotorua by the smell of sulfur. And because of the geothermal activities and the naturally heating water here, the city in around 1883 was established as the spa destination, and since then the tourism has been blooming in this area and now is one of the largest industry in the whole district. So the first attraction of the city is this beautiful garden named Government Garden. The garden itself is very beautiful and is laid out with all the beautiful colorful flowers, as you can see behind me. Other than providing the beautiful layout to enjoy the view and to sit around this area, the garden also has some beautiful features representing history, such as the soldier memorial and the totem pole. Various geothermal features around the garden, like the one behind me, make the view around this garden much more attractive and relaxing. The other reason to head towards this beautiful garden is this magnificent building behind me, known as Rotorua Museum. Rotorua Museum is a local museum and art gallery and is maintained by the regional council here. The museum within the building is in the south side and was opened in 1969. The north side contains the art gallery within the museum, which was opened in 1977. Because of the concerns around the earthquake safety of the museum building, the building was closed on 18th November 2016 until further notice. This is such a magnificent and beautiful building. If you are here during the time when the museum is open, please do go inside and check out the Maori history and more that the museum has to display. Even though the building is closed, the museum is sitting next to the government garden. This is such a beautiful sight to witness. There are also some free options to enjoy the geothermal features of this area, such as the Kerosene Creek. I will make another vlog on Kerosene Creek to let you know what this free option has for you. Other very famous attraction of the Rotorua city centre is the Polynesian Spa behind me. This is a privately owned thermal spa and hot water pool. You can definitely go inside and enjoy the massage option, spa option and hot water bath. On an average, their charges starts from $99 and you can add on more services and make a package out of it. More information about the charges of the spa and bath options can also be found on their website. The Polynesian Spa is open Wednesday to Sunday 9 AM to 10 PM, so hopefully you will find your timings between these days. I am not going inside this Polynesian Spa because there is another option a little ahead from the city, which is known as Hell's Gate. I will be making another vlog on Hell's Gate separately. As you continue your walk from Lake Rotorua, you will end up in this beautiful walkway which is also known as the Sulphur Point. The boiling water behind me shows the geothermal feature of this area and how active it is throughout the year. There are strict warnings all around the walkway to not cross the walkway at all and not enter any of the area here and there because it can be very warm and can result in burns. While walking through this walkway, you can not only see the steam coming out of the land, but you can also hear the sound of boiling water. Smell of sulfur is very strong throughout this walkway, so if you can't bear that, maybe this is not a point for you. This is a very perfect spot to click some beautiful pictures, but be safe. Really enjoyed this landscape here, really beautiful. Welcome to Kurrao Park. This is another beautiful park displaying the geothermal activities. This park is full of geothermal features and of course the native plants. You can see it's all cloudy now. All of these features and the attractions around the city are more about appreciating the geothermal activities and the history of this place. All these places are very close to each other and are easily manageable by walk. However, if you prefer biking, biking is also a good option to explore this area and enjoy the city center at the same time. I hope you'd enjoy the video today. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, keep traveling. Bye bye.